had a 3-year itch. I had a phase just when we were 3 years into the relationship where we were just wanted to pull each other's hair out. No matter what we did, we just couldn't kind of, understand the other person's perspective. But we knew in our hearts that, we have to make it work somehow. And we did actually do couples therapy. And it was Zahir who suggested it. He said, I want this relationship to work no matter what. So I've heard about this. Let's just give it a shot. And I was open to it. And I'm glad I was, because I think 2 sessions and we were just back on track, and it just helped out so much in understanding the way the other person thinks.
Did you just hear what she said? 3-year itch. Aruba, what is that? I'm a counseling psychologist, and let me explain this to you. There is a 1-year itch, 3-year itch, 7-year itch in a relationship, in a couple's relationship. When you start a relationship, everything feels easy. Excitement hai, novelty hai, lot of flexibility hai. But after 2 to 3 years of being in a relationship, couples start seeing the real differences. Emotional needs, communication styles, expectations, and whatnot. And now that is when people are like, why can't they understand me? The problem is not there's a problem. The problem is that nobody ever taught us how relationships work, the stages in relationships. Aapko padhaya, career, success, money, everything has been taught to you. But nobody taught you how to be in a relationship, work through the stages. What are those stages? So, when conflict appears, the couples go, something is wrong. Maybe nothing is wrong. It just means you have entered in a new phase of your relationship. And that is where things like couples therapy can help. Not because relationship is failing, not because you need to fix something in yourself, because 2 people are learning skills they were never taught. Many strong relationships go through these phases, these itches. And relationships don't survive because there are no conflicts. They survive because 2 people learn how to understand each other and how to go through these phases. So I'm curious, have you ever experienced this 1-year itch, 3-year itch, or 7-year itch in your relationship? Or do you think the honeymoon phase should last forever? Tell me what you think in the comments.